From cost control to regulatory compliance, food and beverage manufacturers need an ERP solution that addresses their unique concerns and requirements. Just Food is a cloud ERP solution purpose-built for food and beverage manufacturers that allows you to manage all aspects of your business from a single solution. Disconnected systems and processes can make it difficult to efficiently track materials and products, causing higher costs, waste, and inefficiency. Just Food's fluid workflows break down barriers between distribution and production channels, streamlining operations, driving efficiencies, and making it easy to review trace materials and ensure you're always recall ready. With just a few clicks, you can trace a defective product or lot all the way back to its raw ingredients or vice versa, and from any point, mid-production backwards or forwards. In a single view, you can see every action across the entire supply chain, achieving full traceability in just seconds. Just Food also allows you to set up and customize quality audits and checks from pre-receipt of materials all the way to output and shipment. This end-to-end solution includes a graphical production scheduler with allergen sequencing, constraint planning, and cleanout scheduling all built in. Additionally, you can easily execute transactions and ensure that all materials are managed and accounted for seamlessly throughout the warehouse lifecycle, without the need for a manual, paper-based approach. In an industry where innovation comes from experimentation, the ability to efficiently manage production and recipe data is essential to helping R&D teams compare current recipes and processes and create new combinations and cost-effective formulas. From the time materials enter your facility until the finished product is delivered, Just Food ERP provides the visibility, tracking, and control to ensure high-quality products, lower costs, and reduce waste to take your business to the next level. To learn more, reach out to us today.